Rob here from Media. In this video, we're going to be talking about the icon list element in Elementor, so stay tuned. At Media, we help companies to grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks, and marketing techniques. From websites to online marketing, automated sales funnels, social media, and much more. We're always releasing new content on our YouTube channel, so make sure you click the like, subscribe, and notification button to make sure that you don't miss out. Just before we get going, I want to tell you about an exclusive offer we have on at the moment. We're giving away free access to our paid Hub platform to the first 50 people that click the link in the description. We're going to be putting this link in the description of all of our videos, so make sure that you get in there as quick as you can. Within Hub we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on how to build a website using Elementor. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click the link in the description. Let's get on with the video. Hello, in this video we're going to be talking about the icon list element in Elementor. Before we begin then, I've got a page layout of Elementor full width. I've got one section here with one column in, and I've changed the background color of the section to blue. To get back to our elements then, we just need to click the grid here. So let's find our icon list. We can either search in this search bar here, or we can scroll down to the general elements of Elementor, and here is our icon list. Let's drag that into our column, and this is the default. In this video we're going to go through content and style. A lot of the advanced features have their own videos, so I suggest you go and check those out. But in the meantime, let's go to content and start. So content, there's not a lot to it really. The first thing is the layout. So we can have default, which is sort of one after the other stacked, and we've got inline, and you can see how that differs. I'm going to leave it on the default. Now the icon list works very similar to other elements such as the form in Elementor. All we have to do is click on one of the items and we fill in our options. So here we've got the text. We can put in something like option 1. We can choose an icon from our library. So if I click on that, we can choose anything we like here. And I'm just going to select this crown and insert. We then have a link. We don't have to put a link in here, but we can grab a URL and put that in there. Bear in mind, if you are linking a website that is external to your website, make sure you click the cog and select open in new window. This means when they click the X off of the website you send them to, they will return back to this page. So we can just change the text then of the other options. And I'm going to leave those icons as they are. Other things to note in this area then, we can add a new item. We can also delete using this cross here. We can also duplicate using this button here. So let's remove that. Although this part of the video is very short, I'm going to stop for a moment so that you can add your own icon list and add various items to it. And in a moment we will come back and we will style this icon list. Okay, so let's style this. Let's go to the top left, style. And we're going to style the list, the icons and the text. So let's start off with the space between. This is the space between each item on the list. Let's go with something like that. We've got alignment, left, center, and right. Let's go for center for now. We then got dividers. We can have this on or off. Let's leave it on for this video, and we can style these separately. So we've got different styles. We've got solid, double, dotted, and dashed. I'm going to leave it on dotted. We've got the weight of the divider. I'm going to leave it about there, 5. And we've also got the width. And I'm going to leave it around 32 there. And lastly, we've got the color of the divider. So let's change this to, let's go with the green. There is a separate video for the color picker tool, so I suggest you go and check that out because it is a tool that you're going to be using quite a lot. Let's close that window. Next, we've got the icon style. So again, we've got color here. I'm going to change it to the green as well. I'm going to close that window, and then we've also got a hover color. So when we hover our mouse cursor over the icon, it's going to change color, and that color I want to be, let's go for white. So now when I go over, you can see the icon changes colour. We've got the size of the icon. Let's leave it around there. And we've also got alignment. You can see this changes just slightly at the moment, but I'm going to go with center because this will keep them all nice and central with each other. Lastly, in style then, we've got the text. Text color, I'm going to change to white. The hover, I'm actually going to leave. I don't want the color to change, but if I wanted to, I could change it to purple, and you can see how that changes. But I'm going to leave that clear, so I'm going to click clear here. We've got text indent, so that's the space between the icon and the text. And I'm going to leave it around there. And finally, typography. And I'm just going to use Josephine Sands, REM 1.2, and a weight of 300. There is a separate video on how to use the typography tool, and it is a tool that you're going to use quite a lot, so go and check that video out. If you're happy with your icon list, go down to the green update button, and we will see you in the next video.